I'm in Nag's Head right now, but I'm going to head down south to the Cape Hatteras Lighthouse and take a look at the restoration project while it's going on, and just kind of spend the day down south.
He does the fast, well, just fine. Okay. Yeah.
I have made my way down to the Cape Hatteras Lighthouse. You see it in the background back there. Scaffolding to the top. You got to give credit where it's due to the guys who are brave enough to get up there and work up that high. Not me, man. Not me. Before I came here, I stopped and got this. Let me show you. That is an apple ugly from the orange blossom. I brought a knife from home. It's like all my apples down on one side. The apple uglies from the orange blossom are delicious. I hate to admit it, but I've been known to eat a whole apple ugly by myself. I'm not going to do that today. Well, that's enough of me stuffing my face. What I came here for was to check out the lighthouse during the restoration process. The restrooms, the museum, and the observation area are still open. You can walk right up and sit there and you can take a look at what's going on with the lighthouse. I have no sunglasses today. I left them at home. As long as I'm here, I'm gonna go over to the old lighthouse site and set up by the jetty and see if there's any surfers out there. had to jump in the truck and turn on the air conditioning. I was standing on the beach filming those surfers. We started getting hot. I'm gonna leave the old lighthouse site now and go try to find something else to do today. I'm not sure what that's gonna be. Well, it didn't make it that far before I found something to check out. I'm here at the Canadian Hole and I saw some kite surfers out here, so I thought I would pull in and check that out for a little while. Actually, I'm not at the Canadian Hole. That's up a little bit further north. I'll probably stop there if I see someone out. But I talked to one of the guys out here and he said the wind wasn't quite enough wind to get going yet. He said it was real good yesterday, but not so much today yet. This is the haul over. Canadian Hole, whatever. As I was coming back to Nag's Head from Hatteras Island, I stopped at the new fishing center to check it out. I didn't know it was open yet, and I saw a lot of people out here, so I pulled in just to see if I could go inside and take a look around. And the inside is finished. They've got a store and all kinds of stuff in here. I actually pulled my phone out and kind of did a little walkthrough in there, just to show you guys kind of what it's like now. If you're familiar with it, it's definitely a lot different than it was before. I really got to start planning what I'm doing for the day. I mean, I'm out here just winging it, you know, just kind of going off the cuff and driving around and going to different places that I like to go and just kind of seeing what happens. I should start planning so I can make these videos a little better. There's this one channel that I watch, it's called The Real Outer Banks. He goes around and shows you the Outer Banks. Basically, you ride front seat in his truck and he shows you where everything's at. He points out a lot of the popular places to eat, popular places to go. It's a really cool channel, so go check him out. I'd also like to thank the 100 people who are subscribed to my channel. That's kind of a milestone for me. I never thought 100 people would watch these videos. I told my wife, you know, I'm just going out here and going to have some fun, and nobody's going to watch this. Nobody's going to watch my videos. No one's going to care. I was making them like because I thought they were cool, and to have 100 people sign up to watch, I appreciate that. I really appreciate The Real Outer Banks for shouting out my channel. Thank you.